just need one more shot and second chances. Oh, is it too late now to say sorry? 'Cause I'm missing more than just your body. Oh no, is it too late now to say sorry? Girl, I know that I let you down. Is it too late to say sorry now?
Alright, so Haley says that someone apparently leaked Harry Styles' photos. Like, look at this. This is like so creepy. Like, she has too much time on her hands for her to even have done this. Like, this girl is gonna get arrested. She's gonna get arrested. Like, if I was Harry Styles' mom, I would be already, like, she would already have, like, her letter in the mail, like, you're being sued. She would have been served by now. This is so creepy. Like, why would you even do this? Everybody needs a sailor outfit, Haley. Don't hate. Everybody needs one. It's in the back of the car. We're thinking about getting this for Ty. This is she can wear this to a gala.
Guys, what we gonna eat? We about to eat some fast.
McDonald's is right there. But yeah, these are like all the pictures.
Y'all want McDonald's? McDonald's. They food ain't real.
I just trying to get the purchase.
I just love McDonald's.
Like,
but it's like they're nuggets
hilarious.
and the chicken meat.
So now what's trending is Ann's iCloud and Hendall. That's hilarious. Hendall? That's their relationship name, Hendall.
Rich and Kim to go together.
Mama, how's she going with the whole group?
Y'all see how fast we was?
What's it could be Carrie or Hendall. I don't know. I guess Hendall's better. But yeah, these are trending. Look at this. I'm gonna make myself.
Yeah.
Power me up. Ooh, I'm bald.
Yeah, they start bald. They start bald. One of your business.
What's my color? I think this is my color. Ooh, I'm already cute. Get that melon in there. Get that melon. Get that melanin in there.
The melanin.
So this is how it's coming to be at the moment. But I like this cat suit. This cat suit is real cute. Ow.
Ew,
So,
do not do that.
Ow.
Ew. I was
Okay, so anyway. But I don't really like this hair color though. Like, I don't really know. Cause my hair is blonde. But look how this looks.
No, it's not perfect. It's supposed to be exactly you.
Well, it needs to look close to me.
Yeah.
Oh! Girl, that's cute. Oh, she cute. She real cute.
Did you say this one?
I like either that one.
Look at mine.
Oh, that's cute, girl.
See this?
Okay, Jax.
This is how you get the hoverboard.
Gonna teach me. Oh, she be rolling.
Say thank you, Merlin.
They hating.
This guy. Stuffed meatballs. That looks disgusting. Oh!
I thought you already had
Rejected. That was like
applesauce.
2 weeks ago with the dad about that.
Okay.
Hey, calm down.
Running. Okay. Stop.
I like bread, honey wheat. I like honey wheat. I like white bread. I like honey 7 grain. I like some grain. I like some white bread. I ain't done. I got the mini donut. I got the powder, the cinnamon sugar. I got the frosted dough. I got the sprinkles in my muffins. The toughen, the roughens, the toughens, the sausage. I got the chocolate. Dipped in chocolate. We made it. Mixtape.
Mixtape. Where can you get your mixtape at?
Blessed up.
Blessed up.
Outside of Walmart, $2.50 a copy. Support my fans.
$2.50. Y'all so lame. Yeah, they walking. So me and the fam, part of the fam, are going to Target to get some shoes because Jax put a hole in my shoe. Like, I'll show you inside. So here are my shoes that Jax chewed on. So funny thing is that These are Massimo shoes that I have on right now. And, you know, I got a hole in them. So I'm back at the same place that I got these. So maybe I can get 8 more months in these, you know? I don't really have the shoes that I want. I mean, I guess I can get, oh, yes, I do. These are the same. These are the exact same ones that I have on. But I could be hip and cool and get some different ones. These look cool, though. I don't wear a size 11. They're trying to be all hip and nice. Those, I don't really like those. Ooh. Look at this. Look at this mess. A size 8. Come on. Size 7. Wait, these are $22. Oh, no, they're not. They said these. Ronnie, I had to try them on. My goodness. Okay, let's go.
When oceans rise, my soul will rest in your embrace. For I am yours. You are. Come away with me, I got a place for you. It's on the other side. Come away with me, I got a place for you. It's on the other side.
Father, this your planet, and I'm a seed that you planted. Father, the word that's commanded. You said you would never leave stranded. You never forsake me. If it hit sink, you save me. Feel like I'm walking on water. If I'm dreaming, don't wake me. Feel like I'm surfing with a purpose somewhere on the side of the ocean. I can feel you staring in my heart, calling me the cause of commotion. But